Sunday, the 17th of December 2018, 12:45 in the afternoon, and I am now on the Severn Bridge, the Second Severn crossing, about to pay the tolls for the very last time, because as of tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock the tolls are no longer there. Decided last year that the tolls will be removed, and the date was set for December the 17th 2018 for the tolls to be removed. And here I am now driving back from work over the Severn Bridge, the Second Severn crossing, about to pay the toll for the very last time. And I thought I would document this historic occasion by filming both my last payment on the bridge today and the free crossing tomorrow when I finish work. So we just have crossed the border into Wales from England, and we're now coming into the roadworks, unfortunately, which are going to be here to about May of next year. They reckon the spring of next year, until the whole of the toll booths have been removed. So there is a mandatory 50-mile-an-hour speed limit now for all traffic, just to slow traffic down before we get to the tolls. I have a tag, so I don't have to stop to pay. I just flash the tag, but hopefully I can get a tag lane near where the three tolls lanes are. I reckon if I go for one of the truck lanes, I should be okay to get that. If I indicate here, yeah, it says spring 2019, so hopefully temporary road layout ahead. Yes. So here we go, paying the toll for the very last time. So all the coned off areas you see there are the that's going to be, oh look at that, that's really good actually. Oh, they've put new concrete down as well. So I don't know if you can see that. The 3 X's is where the new road layout is going to be. Apparently it's all going to be finished for tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock in the morning. And so I'm now just waiting in the queue to use my tag for the very last time. I hope the tag works on here. See ya. That's it. I have now paid, well, the tag has paid for the very last crossing. So from tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, it shall be free. It is Monday, the 17th of December 2018. and it's 11:55 in the morning. I'm now just crossing the Second Severn crossing completely free of charge for the first time. For all the years that I have been coming over to Wales, I have had to pay a toll, and as of 7 o'clock this morning the tolls were removed, and this is the first time that I will be crossing the bridge completely free. So there we are, we're over the bridge now, just coming to the end of the bridge and then heading down towards where the tolls are. It's quite an exciting time actually, I think. We are coming into the 50 miles an hour zone. Average speed checks, so you must keep to 50 miles an hour. And on the right hand there it says no tolls ahead. I'm doing 50 miles an hour. Miles an hour. You see the cones. Normally we'll be slowing down to around 30 miles an hour down here to stop at the tolls, but because there are no more tolls, we will just drive straight through. Wow. This is quite unbelievable. Never thought this would actually happen. But look at this. Driving under the toll booths bridge completely free of charge. That's it. We've done it. Got to stay at 50 miles an hour for a few more meters.